Some basic concepts of chemistry. In this chapter, we will be studying Dalton's atomic theory, modern atomic theory, laws of chemical combinations, volumetric analysis, and its calculations. First of all, what is chemistry? Chemistry is the study of the substances, especially their structure, properties, transformations, and energy changes over these transformations, or the branch of science that deals with the identification of the substances of which matter is composed, the investigation of their properties, and the ways in which they interact, combine, and change, and the use of these processes to form new substances. Branches of chemistry. Chemistry mainly has 5 branches. Organic chemistry is the study of hydrocarbons and other carbon compounds. Inorganic chemistry involves the study of compounds of metals and nonmetals. In biochemistry, we study chemicals and chemical changes in living systems. In physical chemistry, changes in the structure and energy of chemicals and chemical systems are studied. Analytical chemistry includes separation, identification, and quantitative analysis of chemicals. What is an atom? Atom, the smallest unit into which matter can be divided without the release of electrically charged particles. It also is the smallest unit of matter that has the characteristic properties of a chemical element. As such, the atom is the basic building block of chemistry. An atom has 2 main parts. The central part, called nucleus, contains protons and neutrons, and in the extranuclear part, electrons revolve in different energy levels, which are also called shells. These electrons actually move in elliptical path, but the movement of the electrons is so fast that it looks like spherical path. John Dalton, an English chemist, proposed a very important theory about the structure of matter known as Dalton's atomic theory. Let us see what are the main postulates of this theory. It says, matter is made up of tiny, indestructible, indivisible particles called atoms. Atom is the smallest particle of an element. Molecule is the smallest particle of a compound. Atoms of the same element have same size, shape, mass, and other properties. Compounds are formed by the combination of different elements. Atoms of a compound unite in small whole number ratios like 1:1, 1:2, and so on. Atoms are neither created nor destroyed, means they are indestructible. A chemical reaction involves only the separation, combination, and rearrangement of integer number of atoms. Limitations of Dalton's atomic theory. With the discovery of subatomic particles, electrons, protons, and neutrons, the atom can no longer be considered indivisible. The atoms of the same element are not similar in all respects. They may vary in mass and density. These are known as isotopes. For example, chlorine has 2 isotopes having mass number 35 and 37. Modern atomic theory. Atom is made up of subatomic particles called protons, neutrons, and electrons. Atoms of same element may not be same in all respects. For example, isotopes, which are the atoms of same element having same atomic number but different atomic mass. For example, isotopes of chlorine. Atoms of different elements may not be different in all aspects. For example, isobars. Isobars are the atoms of different elements having different atomic number but same atomic mass. For example, calcium and argon have atomic mass 40.